Hi guys, a quick video to introduce you to my new membership offer. I am a humble creator here on YouTube, putting a lot of hard work into my channel with the aim of sharing as much of my knowledge as possible, knowledge accumulated from my travels around the world for many years, speaking different languages and understanding different cultures. Making a living from this work is actually pretty hard, so a little gesture of support from you would make a huge difference. With your membership, you'll get access to your loyalty badge with all the comments that you leave me, so we can engage and exchange personally, and you can be part of our community. It will also allow you to suggest a video topic. I thought some of you might be interested in having the name pronounced on the channel as well, or a friend's name to surprise them, if that's of your interest. If your request is sensible, I'll give you, or your friends, a shout out to thank you for your support and encouragement as a member. I'll develop the membership levels as your feedback comes in to add ever more value and bring you ever more access to my work, my world, and our shared knowledge. Thanks a million for your kind support, and speak with you shortly on the channel. Merci. À bientôt.